My name is Cindy Flores, and I'm the director of CCSD's Family Support Centers. Currently, we have one central family support center that serves as a one-stop shop, a hub for our CCSD families. However, we recently have added 12 additional community family support centers that are available at a smaller scale, but perhaps are a closer location to home. The Central Family Support Center offers an array of services from pediatric services, legal services, support for students that are planning for post-secondary education. We have parent engagement here services, classes for adults, and workshops for families as a whole. The Community Family Support Centers offer additional services for families throughout the Valley. They offer English classes for adults as well as parenting workshops, academic workshops. Whatever the families feel that they might need, they're able to request those services that we can then add as a support and service at the Community Family Support Center. And for those that need additional services beyond that, the Central Family Support Center is available to provide those academic, food, health services as well.